मेरे पास आज रास बोल्ड है। मेरे पास आज रास बोल्ड है। आज मेरी स्किन इतनी ब्राइट है। आज मेरी स्किन इतनी सॉफ्ट है। आज मेरे पास आज रास बोल्ड है। मेरे पास आज रास बोल्ड है।
Welcome to the world of Rasbold. Rasbold, a sense of ownness, apna anubhuti. Today we will be talking about serums, night creams, our skin regimen for dry skin. Because as we age, our skin tends to dry. Our hormonal changes, mainly for females, I'm speaking about hormonal changes, give a lot of help for your skin. Environmental pollution, there are lots of problems now which tends to let your skin go towards sensitivity, dryness, itchiness, flakiness, and the main thing is with lots of pigmentations. These all are causes of different things, like just now I told you. So we cannot eliminate all the causes. Your hormonal imbalances every month, every time, you cannot change that. Yes, you can reduce that to a little bit of lots of water, lots of juices, lots of green vegetables, a diet, proper diet. You don't need to be so much of a person who always had to be in a routine, strict principles for food. No, you can cheat yourself sometimes, but you have to remember that you have to keep a proper routine at least to maintain your skin, because 80% of the work your self, your food, your lifestyle does. So you have to maintain your skin health, and for that you have to maintain your food habits. Lots of oily foods are not good for your skin. So we Indians tend to have lots of oily foods. Please think about it, and obviously if you want your to tickle your taste buds, eat that, but not every day. There also must be time when you like to eat lots of things, but just keep it aside and think that not only your skin, you are hurting your stomach. It's not a dustbin. You can eat everything and anything you want. Really treat your belly as the best thing you can have, because if it is upset, everything is upset in your life, right? So let's come to the part where I'll be talking about skin and hair regimen. So today I'll be talking about skin for dry skin regimen. So what will we do? We'll do a face wash every time, and for dry skin, the main thing is that we will obviously do a soft face wash. You can use our coffee cinnamon honey face wash, Raz Bold coffee cinnamon honey face wash. You can use that's an amazing product for dry skin, for flaky skin, for itchy skin, for aging skin which has lots of pigmentations and sensitive skin. No problem, use our coffee cinnamon honey face wash, that's pure natural. So that will help for your skin for cleaning purpose, because you are using it every day, twice a day. So use a face wash which is of very light chemicals, very low of chemicals, very no harmful chemicals, like no, our face wash does not have any sulfate, paraben, silicone, artificial color, and artificial essence. So these are very important for your skin, because you have to know what you are using. Then you will use a toner. Obviously, toners are a must, but not alcohol toners. You can use a normal natural Rasbold toner, which is very important for your skin. This is actually made of vitamin C and rose water, so you can use it in any way you like with 9 herbs. Then what will you use? You can use a serum at night. That's very important. Use a serum. We have a depigmentation anti-aging serum for aging skin. This helps really just renew your skin. It will take only a month to understand the changes in your skin with this serum. Use it and see the difference. Next, for not too much aging, who have not aged that much, it's under 45, who can use the C serum directly. This is also an amazing serum with 15% vitamin C, and there are lots of things: hyaluronic acid, kojic acid. There are many herbs, berry extract, lot of extracts are there. So this will also reduce the pigmentation. This will also help you with your skin brightening, a glowing skin you will get. So these are small tips I can give you very easily to get your skin glowed. And then you will use a night cream after 15 minutes, not just applying the night cream and immediately serum and immediately you use a night cream. No, because when you're using a serum, that has to first penetrate in your skin, work in your skin, start working in your skin, absorb in your skin, then only you can use the next level. Otherwise, if your skin is normal towards oily, then if it is not oily but towards oily, you can directly only depend on our serum. If you have normal skin, then our depigmentation anti-aging serum is enough for you. So you can use this and leave it till if you feel like you can use a night cream. Otherwise, this is enough. And then if you have too much dry skin, then use the night cream. And what are you doing with the night cream? You are any product you use of Rasgold, you have to take a very little of amount and just put it on your skin. No problems you will have. So just use this night cream and see the difference. This is the night routine I have told you. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 products I have told you. You can skip the toner if you want and use an aloe vera gel instead of, which our aloe vera gel is made of cucumber extract, aloe vera extract, tea tree extract. So you can use that aloe vera gel, or you can use our 9 herbs gel with hyaluronic acid. 9 herbs gel with hyaluronic acid basically gives you a different sense, a feel. This cream is basically made of 9 herbs, 5 essential oils. This is not a cream, this is a gel. So 9 herbs and 5 essential oils with the essence you will get of pure rose and lavender. These are made of pure rose oil and lavender oil mixed. You'll get a beautiful essence. Plus, these gives you a feeling also, calmness you will get, because aromas are helped for therapies also. So you can use this hyaluronic acid gel for your skin at day, at night if you want. So it will work wonders. So this way you can keep your regimen clean. Very little work you have to do. Clean your face, use a serum, clean your face, use a night cream. You can also go according to your skin type that day, because our skin changes according to our time, according to our periodic condition, according to our hormonal conditions, according to our food habits. It changes. Sometimes it becomes oily, sometimes it becomes normal, sometimes it becomes dry. So you have to go accordingly. So take your regimen, choose your regimen, and give us a call. Just go to Rasgold Herbal, our website www.rasgoldherbal, and just take a look at the products, know it, use it. Or otherwise, if you want to get more about it, want to know more about it, obviously you can ping 9903665355